Research shows the best designers use real, physical parts throughout the design process. ZCorp best-in-class 3D printing solutions bring a new level of technology, excitement, and competitive advantage to the classroom.
As educators, we're teaching our students to be the best designers in the world. By utilizing the 3D printing technology, it allows the students to create multiple designs and multiple design iterations.
There are several critical components for printing 3D parts in a classroom environment. Without them, 3D printing isn't feasible. Head-to-head comparisons between the Z Printer 450 and the Dimension 1200 SST in an actual classroom show that Z printers offer an overwhelming advantage. First, speed. Only ZCorporation prints entire layers at a time. Because Dimension printers extrude only a thin filament, the ZCorporation 3D printers are 7 to 10 times faster. In addition, only the Z printer can build multiple parts for multiple students all at once.
When doing multiple projects in the classroom, multiple students and multiple projects, we need to be able to build as many parts as quickly as possible on the machines. The Z printer is the only machine that will attain the speeds that we need in the classroom.
4 teams of 4 students each are able to create 16 concept models in less than 24 hours. Designs are created on Tuesday, printed on Wednesday, and used on Thursday. The Dimension printer simply cannot do that. Next, color. The Z Printer 450 prints in full color. Multiple colors are printed on any part. Dimension says they print in color, but it can only print monochrome, or one color at a time. The only way to make a multicolor part with Dimension printers is to assemble the different color parts into a model. Monochrome parts have some use in a school setting. However, full-color 3D printed parts lend themselves well to students in a variety of departments, which has the added benefit of leveraging the cost of the 3D printer across more students in more classrooms.
We're now building products for 3D character and game design. We're building archaeological models. We're building full-color GIS models for different departments on campus. So the technology branches across to the multiple departments on campus, and we always end up being the hero.
Accessibility. All students in many classrooms need to have access to 3D printed parts, so cost is critical. The machine is a tool. The parts are what helps students succeed. The cost per part must be low so that all students have access to the technology. The Z printer costs roughly half what it costs to run a Dimension printer, depending upon model orientation and comparable printing requirements. The Z Printer 450 recycles 80% of its unprinted powder for future use, cutting the cost of materials and cleanup. There are also discounts for schools. The operating costs of Z printers are well below others. For students to create models on their own without teacher supervision, the 3D printer must be safe. Dimension printers require the student to use sharp instruments to cut their parts free, and corrosive baths are needed to finish a part. When a part is printed on a Z printer, the models emerge ready for application of a non-toxic surface finish. No sharp tools or toxic chemicals are needed. ZCorporation's best-in-class 3D printing solutions bring a new level of technology, excitement, and competitive advantage to the classroom.
ZCorporation has brought speed, color, affordability, and safety to the classroom. It is my first choice. When design students create their first designs, I always drive them toward the ZCorporation technology first.